Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will explore about relative pronouns. What are relative pronouns? Relative pronouns are the words which are that connect closest together and give more information about a noun or a subject. Let's dive in. There are 5 main relative pronouns. Those are who, whom, whose, which and that. Let's start with who. It's used when referring to people. That means we describe the main person in the sentence by using who. According to the example picture, the one of girl who's sitting in a chair saying to her friend, the girl who's singing in the stage is her sister. She describes about her sister to her friend using a relative pronoun who. Next relative pronoun is whom. Whom is used to describe a person in a sentence, but it's not the subject, it's the object of the sentence. Look at the given example. I know the boy whom sits next to you. The girl describes about the boy who sits next to her friend. Our next word is whose. Whose refers to show someone's possession. Possession means the state of having, owning or controlling something. Look at the given example. The girl whose dog barks loudly lives next door. According to the given picture, who lives next door is the girl whose dog barks loudly. Our next word is which refers to things or animals. When we describe about things like a book, a pen, a bottle, a bag, etc., or animals like a dog, a cat, an elephant, etc., then we use the phrase which. Look at the given example. The book which is on the table is mine. According to the given picture, my book is the book which is on the table. Here is another relative pronoun, that. That can be used for both people and things. Look at the given example. The car that I bought is red. According to the given example picture, the man describes about his new bought car by using the relative pronoun that. Non-defining relative pronouns. Some relative pronouns are non-defining. That means they give in the meaning of a sentence or tell the sentence by providing extra information about that sentence. These are set off by commas. Look at the given examples. My brother, who is a doctor, lives in New York. In this sentence, he describes about his brother by using more information like his job, his living place, etc. The cat, which is very playful, is my favorite. The Eiffel Tower, which is in Paris, is famous landmark. Okay, now let's do an exercise. Try to guess the correct answer for these questions. First one, the woman blank lives next door is very friendly. Your time's up. The answer is who. The woman who lives next door is very friendly. Next one. The book blank I bought yesterday is quite interesting. Your time's up. The answer is which. The book which I bought yesterday is quite interesting. Third one. The car blank I bought last week is red. Your time's up. The answer is that. The car that I bought last week is red. Next one. The student blank homework is on the desk, forgot to pick it up. Time's up. The answer is whose. The student whose homework is on the desk forgot to pick it up. Here is the last one. To blank did you give the message? The answer is whom. To whom did you give the message? Yes, we are done. If you got all the correct, you are superb. Okay, let's remind what we learned today. As I previously mentioned, relative pronouns connect clauses and provide more information about nouns. We use who for describe people. We use which for describe things. We can use that for describe both people and things. We can use whose to show possession. And lastly, we can use whom in formal situations. So that's it for today, our lesson on relative pronouns. Hope to see you again with another lesson soon. Subscribe our channel for more lessons. Thank you for watching and bye bye.